Imagine a brighter, more stable future for your home or business in Kenya, a future powered by clean, reliable energy. I'm here to tell you why building a multi-purpose solar panel and utility room structure with Power Africa Solar is not just a smart choice, but a game changer for your life and community. First, let's talk about energy independence. Kenya's abundant sunshine is a free, renewable resource waiting to be tapped. With Power Africa Solar's multi-purpose structure, you're not just installing solar panels, you're creating a powerhouse that generates surplus energy during the day, stored in reliable battery systems for use at night or during outages. No more worrying about blackouts disrupting your lights, appliances, or business operations. This setup ensures you're in control, with clean energy that's always there when you need it. Second, this is a financial win. Going solar with Power Africa Solar is one of the best investments you can make in Kenya. The multi-purpose structure maximizes efficiency by combining solar generation with a utility room to house batteries and equipment, protecting them from the elements. This means lower maintenance costs and a system that pays for itself over time by slashing your electricity bills. Plus, with Kenya's rising energy costs, you're locking in savings for years to come. It's not just a purchase, it's a wealth-building strategy. Third, the multi-purpose design is a game changer. This structure isn't just about solar panels. It can serve as a shaded parking area, a workspace, or even a community hub tailored to your needs. Whether you're powering a home, a school, or a small business, Power Africa Solar customizes systems to match your electrical loads, from small setups to robust 100-kilowatt systems. Plus, solar projects create local jobs, from installation to maintenance, boosting Kenya's economy and empowering communities. Finally, this is about leaving a legacy. By choosing solar with Power Africa Solar, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier, greener Kenya. You're showing your family, neighbors, and future generations that sustainable living is possible and practical. This is your chance to lead the way in a clean energy revolution. So why wait? With Power Africa Solar, you're not just building a structure, you're building energy independence, financial freedom, and a sustainable future. Visit powerafricasolar.com today to learn how a multi-purpose solar structure can transform your life. Let's harness the sun's power together and light up Kenya's tomorrow.